Hey there, everyone. Today I want to introduce you to the amazing Coredy robot vacuum, R650 Ultra robotic vacuum with 2200 pascals strong suction. If you've been struggling to keep your floors clean, then this is the solution for you. Featuring a gyro dynamic navigation system and a Z-zag cleaning path, this robot vacuum ensures a more thorough cleaning experience, leaving you with spotless floors every time. With a max suction power of 2200 pascals, it effectively gathers debris without causing any splashing, thanks to its 3-point cleaning system. But that's not all. The R650 Ultra also comes with a 500 ml dustbin, providing 120 minutes of continuous cleaning, and it's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control and app scheduling. Plus, standing at just 2.76 tall, it can reach underneath furniture and clean hard-to-reach areas. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning your floors and hello to a more convenient and efficient cleaning experience, then click the link in the description to get your own Coredy robot vacuum, R650 Ultra robotic vacuum today. Trust me, you won't regret it.